Una-una siya nung like you said, 15 years old and he was 17. Was it love at first sight?
No, on the contrary, remember I made you that kwento. Actually, I've told everybody. When Dear Heart was first offered to me, they asked me who would you like to be your leading man. Ang sagot ko was anybody but Gabby Concepcion, which of course was not fair to him kasi I didn't know him at all.
Bakit ka ayaw mo si Gabby?
I had this, the one you hate will be your fate. No, because, kasi siguro mistiso, akala ko suplado, antipatiko, ganyan. When we finally got to meet and when we started getting to know each other, mabait pala si Gabby.
Hindi ko siya kilala. Ang alam ko lang, she was going to do a movie with me, ganon. Or I don't know how it came out. Tapos nakita ko may mga kasama nga siyang naka-Mercedes pa to nung dumating eh. She was the only nag-uumpisa na naka-Mercedes na. So sabi ko, ano ba to? Napaka-hangin naman ito. Pa-Mercedes.
Nayabangan ka sa kanya.
Ngayon, siguro sa kanya, normal lang yun. Ano? Hindi naman niya kasalanan yun. Kasalanan ba niyang marigaluhan siya ng ganung klase yung kotse. So, nung nakita ko, sabi ko, okay ito magaya ko nga ito, parang araw.